I don't know about you, but some of my favorite creations are used by achieving a simplistic foil placement. My client here has not touched her hair with lightener in 1 year exactly, and she loves being on the darker side and fall toned hair. We are incorporating darker lowlights with slices, and all of the light is a weave. Another way you can approach this is by doing all of the light first with highlights and then going in with the rest of the existing hair and coloring it dark. I am using Moroccan Oil Blonde Voyage Cream Lightener with 20 volume, and for her lowlights, I use a 4.9, which is chocolate, and 3.0 in Color Calypso, which is their liquid demi-permanent. And don't worry about if the foils are not going all the way to the scalp, because I am creating a very lived-in look, and I will be doing color melting at the end. Also try using these big frame R foils because it will definitely help speed up your application. And when I foil up the head and the back, you will notice my section size of my highlights will start to get smaller. This is for keeping it very low maintenance, but with a sparkle of brightness. If your client is looking for those bold ribbons in the hair, then you'll definitely need to take more chunkier weaves so that you can see the dimension. Around the face, I always want to make sure that there's a hint of light, and then in the interior, I want to make sure that there's enough depth and dimension to make the highlights pop. Since she has finer hair, I'm only doing 4 foils on top off the part line. 2 will be light and 2 will be dark. For this top section, I am putting the low light directly under the highlight. To do this, I will weave the highlight first and clip it away, and then take a slice directly under that section and apply my low light. Then I will take the weaved hair and apply the lightener to the foil on top. During all of my weaved highlights, I just want you to take note that I am doing a slight back comb to diffuse the hair. Now for color melting, I am using a 3.0 in Moroccan Oil Color Calypso, and that is mixed with the Gloss Activator 1:1. I start from the back and work my way to the front so I'm not flopping the hair all over the place. I also like to comb through each section to make my application nice and clean. My end formula is 2 ounces of 7.0 and 1 ounce of 6.9, which is also chocolate. Remember, just because you make an application look easy doesn't mean that it is. So let me know what you think below of this fall color.